Okay, so we're going to look at the capture converter utility. This utility is mandatory if you're trying to get a .capture file with scan data into Trimble RealWorks Forensics. So the link is actually part of my workflow document, and that link will take you to here. And then we need to get into the Trimble Forensics Capture current release. And you can see the first thing on here is the Capture Converter utility. So this needs to be installed on your PC that has Trimble RealWorks. So once you run that utility, and that will require admin rights, it basically just installs a utility in the background. And what that does for you is I have basically two x7.capture files here. One is georeferenced and one does not have a complete registration. I'm going to go over those in a little bit. But what this utility does, so this has x7 scan data, and if I right click on it now, so it unlocks the capture converter, and we're going to want to extract the scan data. So that's not going to do anything to the .capture file itself. All it's going to do is create a separate file folder, and this file folder is going to be mandatory to get data into RealWorks. So after you extract the scan data, you'll see a folder like this, and this is RealWorks test x7 data. So that's the same name of the .capture file. And then it puts an underscore TDX, and TDX is a Trimble proprietary, it's basically just scan data files in a Trimble format. And if you look in here, so this is the TDX file itself, and then the TDF is the actual folder. So you can see this has all of our station data, and then our images here. So this is what we're actually going to import into RealWorks. So it's the .capture file with scan data that's converted into a file format that RealWorks can read.